Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information today. You bought yourself a brand new Samsung range. You get it home, you plug it in, you set the clock, you walk away, and you come back to that. Well, that is actually the factory settings. It is actually going into what's called sleep mode. Now, if you want your appliance to have the clock on full time, there's a couple things you have to do. One, you need to have the Wi-Fi on, you need to have the smart control on, and when both of those are on, your clock will stay on 24/7. But you have to have both the Wi-Fi and the smart control on to do this. Now, this may or may not apply to all of the Samsung models, but right now we're worried about the 6511 and the 6711 series models, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to hold this button down for roughly 3 seconds. Okay, I'm going to push number 7. That tells me my Wi-Fi is on. If I want to turn it off, I will push number 2. If I want to turn it on, I will push number 1. Now I know my Wi-Fi is now on. So now I can actually go to my smart things and actually get it to function, okay? And to clear out, just push clear, you go back to there. Now, from here, you've got to go to your smart things, okay? I'm gonna go to my smart things, okay? Get started. I'm going to hit get started. Okay, I'm going to hit next. And now it is looking for a device. My Wi-Fi is on. Okay, so we'll see if it actually, there is the range. That is my range. So I'm going to add the range. Okay, and you ready? Okay. Connecting to your range. The pop-up here is tap. There she is. Now see, my AP is blinking. That is my smart control. Okay. Press, okay, while the AP is blinking on your range, press the smart control. I press the smart control and it is syncing. Now device, this gives you all the technical information. Then now you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi. So then we will tap it, allow. See, my little Wi-Fi is on. Now my clock will stay on 100% of the time. And that's all you have to do, okay? You gotta have the smart thing on your phone, and then you gotta follow the instructions, okay? It's not rocket surgery. You can do it, take your time. Now my clock, like I said, will stay on permanently because my Wi-Fi is on, my smart control is on. So I hope this helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the YouTube channel, and y'all come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.